life. You were so normal. Rising, planning, getting ready. What should I wear? My keys. Getting out, working, dreaming, getting creative, shopping, partying, cafes, restaurant, beaches. Hey, you want to play? Being busy, being tired, dreaming, and just wanting to go to bed after all day's work. Rising up again, freedom, smiling through every hardship that the world has to offer. Thinking, now what? What next? What's coming tomorrow? Next day. What is happening? Something is wrong. What's new in that? No. This is not normal. Is it an earthquake? Is it a nightmare? Or a real slap in the face? Is it a surprise? Yes. Some idiot sent us a surprise. Created a havoc. Made the whole world suffer. Yes. It is a nightmare. Our doors are locked. Fear, stress, anxiety, depression, loneliness. Coronavirus outbreak in India. First case occurs in Kerala. First death due to coronavirus has been reported in Karnataka. 13th March. 2 cases reported in Nagpur, Maharashtra. First coronavirus infected patient detected in Hyderabad on March 2nd. You could be the one. Lockdown 1.0. 25th March 2020 to 14th April 2020. Yes. 21-day lockdown. For your own safety, please stay at home. Shit. Is this serious? I should have gone home. Have to buy mask, sanitizer, groceries. हाँ, तुम कल से काम पर मत आना. How to make dal? What about my business? My salary? My school? You were hurt, disabled. You were tired and tired. But you came through it. It is time. Time passes by. Don't let it go waste. Don't fear the dark. Darkness is silence. Silence is peace. But Arey, chal, it's okay. Heat kills the virus. What rubbish. I'm so stressed, yeah. Please come. What about me? Everyone is going out. So? I'm sorry, your pay needs to be cut. It's okay. You read. You learned. You never indulged in blind belief. There were false attempts, but you chose the true path. Lockdown 2.0. It did not work. We'll have to extend this for another 2 weeks. Please stay at home. You cooked. You cleaned. You spoke to the pigeon. Understood there are people facing more hazards than you. Found happiness in small things. Stayed calm. Lockdown 3.0. Inhale, exhale. You always knew it. It will be worth it. You need to perform your duties. The cases are increasing day by day by day by day by day. The world is upside down. It has always been. Just hold on to yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe in humanity. To all those who support humanity, to all those who performed their duties. It's hard, but you did it. Thank you. Thank you.